Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Photoshop. And let's see today how to rotate the image in Photoshop. For example, we have such a bunny, and this is PNG image, and I need to rotate it a little bit. So I'm choosing the layer with my bunny. The layer is chosen. Then I go to Edit, Transform, and find Rotate. Now you see this rectangle, and you can click on those points and rotate your bunny on that direction you need. Okay? By the way, you can see there are possibilities to rotate 180 degrees and 90 clockwise and counterclockwise, but if you need to rotate it to some precise angle, you should go this way. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.